Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If I'm getting time outside or even some calm time inside, I really want something that's going to help me to have a peaceful time. These beautiful citronella candles from Mole & Son do exactly that. So what I really love about these candles is they're not that fake citronella smell that you might remember from the past, but rather these are infused with real essential oils. So you have not only the citronella, but also lemongrass and peppermint. So they really smell so good when they're burning. The candles, in fact, smell so good that I really love using them inside as well. They give the air a nice, crisp, natural scent. I also really like these because the tins are really cute and they could be reused after for something else like gardening or for holding something around the house. They're really adorable tins. They also have some great burning time. So each one has 50 hours of burning time. So these would be perfect if I'm having company over, maybe we're having a dinner outside, or even if you went on a camping trip, these candles would be perfect. These candles would also be good as a really fun housewarming gift because not only are they cute and they smell wonderful, but they're so practical, really making them the perfect accessory for my peaceful evening time. But that's just my point of view.